Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro m252dw, and now I'm going to show you how to check for updates on this device. First you should open settings, then scroll down and find here service, then scroll down and here you can find LaserJet update. Click on it and choose check for updates now. Wait a while, and as you can see, system found an update and we can install the update right now. So click install now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you!